Hi guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your video colorful. There are some effects you are going to add to your video that will make your video colorful. There's some filter that will make your video colorful. There are some effects, so let's dive in. So now this is the video that I worked on earlier on. If you check on my recent video, you will see this particular video, how to add sound, how to transition your clip to the next clip. So now I'm going to click on that effect here. So the name of this effect now is link. You can see when I added it, you see how it's colored. It makes the video colorful, brightening up some areas in the video, and then you can see. So if you want to do for this effect, you can come to under video effect here now. So under this light, so that's where you're going to see it. Under this light, you can see it here, or you can search for it. Link to, you can search for it. So I'm going to click this one now. I'll drag it above this particular one, and then let's play. You can see how it makes it colorful. It makes it colorful. So now it's too much. Now I need to reduce it. So you can come to under this atmosphere here. You're going to reduce it, so it will not be too much, or it will not be too obvious or full over the place. So you can see how nice it is. So you can see. So let me play the before. See, this is before now. So this is the after. So you can see. So I love the pen. So there are some other effects to add that will make it colorful. This particular one now. Some people like using this effect here, this exposure here, but I'm not using it in this video. And there are some effects too that will also make the video look. See this particular one now. See this one. But there are other ones that you can use. I'm trying to download more of this effect. So as I know, let me play this sound again. So the name of the artist that sing this song, his name is Dre. So we did it together in the studio one particular day. So I'm also a producer, in case you don't know. If today is your first time seeing me, I'm a producer. If you want to work with me, you can message us. You can let me play the sound and you can see very emotional. It was that day we were just in the studio, and then we were like, let's try something, and then we did something together, and then it came out nice. I'm going to go under filter now. So I want to I want to make it, I want to add filter effect to it. Okay, let me add the ones that I've already downloaded before. So let me add this one now. So you can see how it changes everything, and then it makes it more colorful, and then you can see, this is before, this after. So I'm going to take it to the end so it will affect every of the video. So let me cut down this one now. I'm done with this one. So let's play it now. So see it before. You can see this way. Let me play the before of this particular one. See the before, see the after. Okay, no, this one. See the before, see the after, see the before. You can see it makes it more colorful. You can see. So I like it. I love it like this, and then but But what I'm gonna do now is too much, so I have to come and reduce it so it's not be too much like that. Just a little of it can make impact. So you can see a little of it, yeah, they can make impact. So let me see. So guys, so there are many filter effects you can also add that will make it more colorful. In fact, you can see this one now. You know some of these filter they are pro future, and then before you can use it you have to subscribe to. So I advise us to as well. But there are some free ones too that are also nice too. There are free ones. See this one too. This one is free. This is free. This is free. So there are free version too as well. They are also pro version. So there are also nice free version. They are also nice pro version. So guys, so this is the end of this video. So this is how to make a video colorful in CapCut. So thank you guys for watching this particular episode. So do not forget to like, comment, and share this particular video to your loved ones. Till we meet in another next video again. Peace.